Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the cost of opening a Capital One account. This is a question that I get asked a lot, so I thought it would be a good idea to do a video on it. Before I get into the specifics, I want to talk a little bit about why you might want to consider opening a Capital One account. Capital One is a large bank with a wide variety of products and services, including checking accounts, savings accounts, credit cards, and auto loans. They are also known for their excellent customer service. So, if you're looking for a bank that offers a wide range of products and services, and that has a good reputation for customer service, then Capital One might be a good option for you. Cost of opening a Capital One account. Now, let's get to the meat of the matter. How much does it cost to open a Capital One account? The good news is that it's free to open a Capital One checking account or savings account. There are no monthly fees or minimum balance requirements. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, you will need to deposit at least $25 into your account when you open it. Second, if you want to overdraft your account, you will be charged a fee. Capital One checking accounts. Capital One offers a variety of checking accounts, each with its own features and benefits. The most popular checking account is the 360 checking account. This account has no monthly fees or minimum balance requirements, and it earns interest on your balance. Another popular checking account is the cashback checking account. This account earns you 2% cash back on up to $1,000 in monthly purchases at grocery stores and gas stations. Capital One savings accounts. Capital One also offers a variety of savings accounts. The most popular savings account is the high-yield savings account. This account has no monthly fees or minimum balance requirements, and it earns a competitive interest rate. Another popular savings account is the online savings account. This account has no monthly fees or minimum balance requirements, and it earns a slightly lower interest rate than the high-yield savings account. Other Capital One fees. In addition to the fees that I've already mentioned, there are a few other fees that you might be charged if you have a Capital One account. These fees include overdraft fees. If you overdraw your account, you will be charged a fee. Out-of-network ATM fees. If you use an ATM that is not part of the Capital One network, you will be charged a fee. Return check fees. If you write a check that is returned, you will be charged a fee. Overall, it is free to open a Capital One checking account or savings account. However, there are a few fees that you might be charged, such as overdraft fees and out-of-network ATM fees. If you're considering opening a Capital One account, I recommend that you weigh the benefits and drawbacks carefully. If you're looking for a bank that offers a wide range of products and services, and that has a good reputation for customer service, then Capital One might be a good option for you. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I hope this video has been helpful. If it has, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks again for watching.